Sometimes discouraged, but not defeated. Cast down, but not destroyed. And there are times I don't understand, but I believe that it's turning around for me. I've had struggles and disappointments. There are times I felt so alone, and some of my friends they let me down. But I believe that it's turning around for me. Around for me, around for me, and around for me. It's turning around for me. Around for me, around for me, yes. Around for me, it's turning around for me. I can see the breaking of day. God is making a way. A change is coming for me. If I stay strong and believe, and there's no reason to doubt, I know He's working it out, because it's turning around for me. It won't always be like this. The Lord will perfect that concerning me, and sooner or later it'll turn it